All right, so to do this, this is the analyze data set. So the first thing you do is you hit stat on the calculator, get that list, hit enter, and put all those numbers in the first list. If you have to delete your second column, delete it. So we're just going to enter those numbers: 60, 103, 61. I'm just putting those numbers in: 64, 108, 57, and 60. So I got the same list there as is over there. All right. Then we go stat button again to calculate one variable stats. Hit enter a couple times, and it gives you a bunch of these numbers. The most important ones are this first one, that is the center number. This one, that is the change. I'm sorry, this one, 20.5, that is the change. And there's always going to be 7 variable things. Then we take, so this is where it's a little bit long. We take, calculate. All right, so we take, that 73.29 is the middle. 73.29 is the middle of our line. 29 is the middle. We draw a line. That's the middle. And we're going to do 3 to the left and 3 to the right. And what we're going to do is we're going to add this number, 20.51, to each time. So it's going to be plus 20.51 again each time. This plus 20.51 plus 20.51 plus 20.51, and then over here minus 20.51 minus 20.51 minus 20.51. So then we go back here. We're going to 73.29 plus 20.51. That's going to get us 93.8. So that's here, 93.8 plus 20.51. 114.31, 104.31, that's over here, plus 20.51 is 134.82, 134.82. Now we're going to go back to this middle number, this 73.29, 73.29. Now we're going to subtract 20.51, 20.51, that's going to get us 52.78. Minus 20.51 is 32.27. And again, minus 20.51 is 11.76. So that's our standard. Each of these is a standard deviation. 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, 3, and the other way. 1, 2, 3. So that when they want the standard deviation, 2 standard deviations of the means, what that means is here's your right boundary, here's your left boundary, because this is 1 standard deviation, this is 2 standard deviations, this is 3 standard deviations. So we're looking for numbers that are between 32.27 and 114.31. So the question is, how many of these numbers are between 32 and 114? All of them again. So how many of them are between 2 populations, 32 to 114? All of them are in that range. The number of data within those, so it's just 7. And that's it.